I'm in my meadow today, and we have been curating a collection of native wildflowers here. I'm broadcasting seeds. It's fall. Fall is an excellent time to be planting wildflowers. I have already some fireweed, some blue mist, goldenrod, and in the back there's boneset, a bevy of different kinds of native wildflowers here. And the reason I'm doing it in the fall is because planting in the fall will give you about a 2-week head start on blooms versus planting in the spring. And it really allows those seeds to settle over the winter time. Some seeds require a stratification process, which is a cold treatment, and they need certain hours of cold to be able to sprout and for those seeds to grow. So this is the perfect time to do it. You can buy already stratified seeds online or get them from other seed keepers, but this is great if you have them. No muss, no fuss. Mother Nature will do the work for you. Today we're adding some variety. I have some Golden Glow Rudbeckia. I've got Evening Primrose, and we've got bundle flowers. We've got different heights, we've got different colors, and different bloom times. Our Evening Primrose will start blooming midsummer, beginning of summer till fall, and they bloom at night. They're native to this area. We've got bundle flowers. They're white and shorter, and then our Golden Glow Rudbeckia is going to be taller and yellow, and it will beautifully complement this blue mist that's throughout this field that we planted previously. And they are going to be perfect to put in now. They'll settle into the ground and naturally sprout in the spring. As a farmer, it gives me something to do a little farther into the season when the varieties that you can plant start to get smaller and smaller. By getting these seeds in the ground now, you're going to have an earlier food source. They'll be ready for those pollinators come spring. It's also a great time to plant trees and shrubs for that spring bloom. So I encourage you to try this. It's so satisfying and it gets you out in the garden farther into the season.